Today we'll be installing this Ultrasuede OEM shift boot on the VB chassis WRX. I'll put the part number in the description below. First, we'll need to remove the shift knob by rotating it counterclockwise. We'll need to grab the side of the shift boot and pull it straight up. Once out, you can pull it backward and then remove the shift boot from the collar. And here's how the Ultrasuede compares with the original. As you can see from the back, it's just push clips that holds it onto the vehicle. The trim of the Ultrasuede is more of a darker color. It's more of a gunmetal. If you like the silver trim more, it looks like you can even swap the trim over. Doesn't look too difficult. Next, we'll need to peel off this rubber mat from the original shift boot and transfer it over to the Ultrasuede version. When installing this, we'll need to slide these 3 tabs in the groove first. We'll need to install the boot on the collar. Once we got it lined up, we can just push it down and it will snap right in. And we'll just need to thread our shift knob back on. As you can see, I've also upgraded the shift knob. This obviously is the before, and this is the after. I do plan on upgrading most of my interior to Ultrasuede. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VBWX videos.